Hi everyone, my name is RAHAMAN SHAIK and I am from JBIT College in the branch of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. I was recently got graduated in 2025. Coming to Qspiders, I have joined from incubation batch in 2025. After that, I have taken internship RoboWaves. In that, I have gained knowledge how to push and pull the file. Like I have gained so much knowledge, like how to write test cases, how to write a test scenarios from the project. Like in internship, they are going to provide a real-time projects. From that, we need to find the test cases. Like it boosted me a lot to improve my knowledge. Like that, Varshini in testing, Varshini ma'am, Akhil sir and Hemant sir used to help me a lot. Because of them, I got placed. I need to thank them first. Coming to Kojava, Pawan sir used to taught me a lot because I was little bit dull in programming. So his guidance made me to boost my career. Like that, I have improved my knowledge from Qspiders. In Qspiders, every faculty was good enough to teach each and every topic. They will guide you well. Like if you have any doubt, they will give a good clarity about the topic. So thank you, Qspiders.